In the case of ADM Jabalpur versus S. Shukla, the Supreme Court, A. declared the right to move court under Article 14, 21, and 22 would remain suspended during the emergency. B. ruled that the procedure must be fair and the law must not be violative of other fundamental rights. C. Dealt with the subject of pre-partition communal violence and how its depiction was not in violation of constitutional articles. D. All of the above. Answer. Option A. This issue was at the heart of the case of the Additional District Magistrate of Jabalpur versus Shiv Khan Shukla, popularly known as the habeas corpus case, which came up for hearing in front of the Supreme Court in December 1975. The bench opined in April 1976 with the majority deciding against habeas corpus permitting unrestricted powers of detention during emergency.